Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and today we are doing this hat. The pattern is slightly with open work, it's very breathable, you can see through slightly. It's a summer hat. It's very easy pattern to do for this hat, and it's absolutely fantastic and easy to knit. So we start like this. We make one front stitch like this, then the second two we from the other two we make three, so one loop, one yarn over, and knitted the two once again, so you make three loops. From two loops we make three. 1, 2, 3, and this is with a front stitch, so the two loops, and then we grab the yarn and then over the needle and then one more time again, so you create from two loops 3 loops, 3 stitches, and that's what you do in the first row to the end of this row. It's very easy. The hat is not complicated at all. This pattern reminds to me slightly about chicken's feet. I don't know why. Chicken's claws, you see, it's like a little bit like so, but it's very beautiful, it's stunning. It's acrylic yarn that I knit with. It's a summer hat, so it's not too warm, it will not be too hot in it. And from 2 we make 3, 2 we make 3, from 2 we make 3, from 2 we make 3, and so on. By the way, I have 66 loops on the needle. The amount of loops I have on the needle, that's how I did the bottom. You knit the way you like it, the beginning of a hat, and then you end up continuing it with this pattern. And these needles are size number 5, so just in case you want to do it like myself, I'll let you know about it. So yeah, we need like so. So as you can see, we did more like a group of 3. From 2 we made 3 loops, and they are like separated slightly. So what we do, we take the yarn, put it on the front of the needle, and we knit this two loops with a front stitch. The third loop you knit on its own, 2 loops, front stitch, not front stitch, sorry, purl stitch. So purl stitch, and then 2 loops, purl stitch, and 1 purl stitch, 2 loops, as a purl stitch and 1 loop purl stitch. It's very simple. We've made the first row, second row, now we're on the third row. So we do the same thing. The first 2 loops we knitted with yarn over, and then we knit once again to create 3 loops, and we knit the same way with the front stitch. And as you can see, it creates like a chess formation. So it's not like the design goes like one after the other, but it's kind of randomly created, and it's positioned a bit like a chess, this pattern. So we do from 2, 3, do from 2, 3, 2, 3, and we finish this third row. Now this is the last 4th row. So what we do, we knit the first 2. As you can see, there are groups of 3, like it was on the second row. As you remember, we knit the first 2 of the 3 loops with a purl stitch, and then the third loop we knit separately. So the first 2 with a purl stitch together, and the last loop from the group is with a purl stitch as well. So 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1, 2 together, 1. And this is all you need to know to be able to make this pattern for yourself and enjoy it and love it and wearing it with pleasure when you finish this project of yours. I hope you like this hat, and leave comments below, please. Hello everyone again, and this is the end result. As you can see, the hat turned out to be very nice and actually quite large. I think it should fit my head for certain. As you can see, it's lovely. The design, the pattern is perfect. It looks a bit like the claws of a bird, and it's fantastic. I think the color also suits quite well. It's yellow, strong yellow. It reminds me a little bit of sunshine, and it's very good for summertime, summer evenings to wear such a hat. It's slightly open work, as you can see. It's breathable. It's breathable, you can see through slightly, and it's simple to do. I think you would agree with me on this, that it's very simple to do. Is Doesn't take a lot of yarn either, but it gives you such a terrific result. This is the back. This is a stitch at the back which I've sewn on the front carefully, and this is where I have hidden all the yarns at the back, inside out, as you can see is there. And I think it turned out quite nicely, this hat. I would actually like to do this hat again, maybe with a cotton yarn, because this is an acrylic yarn which might be a bit hotter, keep you warmer in the evenings in the summer, but the same design, the same pattern to do with a cotton yarn. I think it would look equally as stunning, if not even more stunning. And yeah, I think it's lovely. I love it. I still can't believe how it turned out to be. It looks nice. It looks just right. I mean, the bottom here, you can, the bottom here you can knit any with any stitch you like, or even with a stretch band like I usually do. I didn't do a stretch band here. I started with the pattern quite low here, and I think it's quite nice. Excuse my cat, she's very excitable. She runs here and there, and the hat is fantastic. I love it. I like how it turned out. It's amazing. I love it. This is my little froggy, little companion, 3D printed companion, also yellow in color. And I hope your hat will also turn out like this, or even better than mine. So wish you luck, and see you soon in the next video, and please subscribe, and see you soon. Bye bye.